Hello, you're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. 4 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today. Effort being exerted to ensure livestock health in the Central region. World Bank warns climate change could displace 216 million by 2050. And gunmen attack Nigerian prison, freeing 240 inmates. The local news. We have an announcement from the Minister of Health. 4 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at quarantine centers in the Central region. On the other hand, 1 patient who has been receiving medical treatment in hospital in the Central region has fully recovered and has been discharged from this facility. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly risen to 6,615, while the number of deaths stands at 40. And the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 6,661. Minister of Health, Asmara, September 14, 2021. The livestock resource in the Central region reported that strong effort is being exerted to ensure the health of livestock and develop dairy farming. Mr. Emmanuel Hailem, head of branch office, said alongside ensuring the health of livestock, an effort is being exerted to develop honey and poultry products, stating that the office has dispatched agricultural experts in the zones of Saraja'a, Galanefhi, and Asmara with a view to provide professional advice to farmers. Mr. Emmanuel said so far encouraging result has been registered. Mr. Emmanuel also said over 9,000 hectares of land has been reserved in the sub-zones of Berikh, Saraja'a, Galanefhi, and Asmara and are in good conditions. He also said that in 2020, over 161,000 chickens and 800 beehives have been distributed to farmers and training programs have been organized. As a result, Mr. Emmanuel said the farmers have been able to produce over 3.8 million liters of milk, over 300,000 kilos of honey, and over 2.8 million eggs in the past 6 months alone. In 2021, over 58,000 livestock have been vaccinated against various animal diseases. Mr. Emmanuel also called on farmers to reinforce their activities and play due part in the effort to ensure food security. The Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare branch in My Aini subzone extended stationary support to 78 needed students in the subzone on September 17. Mr. Tekhla Zaid, head of the branch, said the support is part of the effort being made annually to support needed students pursue their studies. Beneficiaries commended the support extended by the government. This is according to further reports. Now back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. World Bank warns climate migrants will be in the tens of millions in 3 decades even if urgent action is taken. In a landmark report published yesterday, the International Financial Institution called on states to reduce global emissions and bridge the development gap to avoid the effects of slow-onset climate change, such as water scarcity, decreasing crop productivity, and rising sea levels. Under the most pessimistic scenario, the World Bank's groundswell predicts more than 216 million people across 6 world regions could be on the move by 2050, leading to hotspots of internal climate migration by 2030 that will continue to spread and intensify by 2050. Sub-Saharan Africa has been identified as the most vulnerable region due to desertification, fragile coastlines, and the population's dependence on agriculture. Up to 86 million people are projected to move within national borders in the worst-case scenario. Heavily armed men raided a jail in south-central Nigeria and after blowing up the perimeter fence, freed 240 inmates, almost everyone at the prison. Authorities appealed to the public to provide intelligence that will assist in recapturing the escapees. The attackers started a gun battle with guards at the medium security prison at Kaba in Kogi State, southwest of the federal capital, Abuja. This according to a spokesman for the Correctional Service. The gunmen destroyed 3 sides of the prison's perimeter fence with explosives and overcame a team of 35 security officers. 2 correctional officers were killed during the attack, and only 54 of the inmates were unable to escape. According to the Interior Ministry, another 2 guards were missing. It was unclear who the gunmen were, but central and northwest Nigeria have been terrorized by criminal gangs for years. And now a reminder of the top stories. 4 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today. Efforts being exerted to ensure livestock health in the Central region. World Bank warns climate change could displace 216 million by 2050. And gunmen attack Nigerian prison, freeing 240 inmates. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.